In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're in, you'll land in your Drive, where you can see your files and folders. Before we begin, a quick tip. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and keep this tab open while uploading so everything finishes smoothly. To upload using the menu, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This opens a small menu with two key options, File Upload and Folder Upload. Choose File Upload if you want to send individual files like documents, images, videos, or PDFs. Choose Folder Upload if you want to bring in an entire folder and keep its structure intact. Folder Upload works best in modern browsers, and you may see a small prompt asking for permission to upload a folder. Go ahead and allow it when you're ready. After picking File Upload or Folder Upload, your computer's file picker will appear. Browse to the location of what you want to upload, select one or multiple items, and then click Open. On most computers, you can select multiple files at once by holding Shift for arrange, or Control or Command for individual selections. As soon as you confirm, Google Drive starts uploading. You'll see a progress panel in the bottom right corner showing each item's status. You can keep working in Drive while the upload continues in the background. There's also a faster, very intuitive method: drag and drop. Simply open the folder on your computer where your files live, click and drag one or more files, or even an entire folder, over your Drive window in the browser. When you see the drop area highlight, release your mouse. The upload begins right away, and you'll get the same progress indicators as before. While files are uploading, avoid closing the tab or shutting your laptop lid. If your connection dips, Drive usually picks up where it left off once you're back online. Most common file types upload without any issues, and larger files may take longer depending on your network speed. When an upload completes, you'll see a check mark and an Upload Complete message. Your items will appear in My Drive, ready to open, preview, or organize later. That's all there is to it. Go to drive.google.com and sign in, click New, and choose File Upload or Folder Upload. Pick what you need and click Open, or simply drag and drop straight into the browser. With these methods, getting your files into Google Drive is quick, reliable, and easy.